See that? It's coming! Sabi niya. It's coming! It's coming!
Hubert, okay. Wait, can you be a pet? Like, you can push him. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Oh. Guys, I forgot where the waypoint is. Oh, there it is. I didn't set one. You better set one. Otherwise, you're gonna bump. You know, people, but you're gonna be bald. You're gonna be bald. What does that mean? And, bald and shiny hair. Elma. I mean, okay, but guys, the most important is licensing. The way to spin. You spin me round and round, round. You spin me around, I feel it off the ground. I don't know why I am here, and I have to hold my hand. I don't want to sing right now. Hold on, ready? What should I sing? The flame heart attack? No, we should sing opposite with like the meow 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 meow. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's okay. Wait, okay, 3, 2, 1. Meow 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 meow. I'm ready with now. You say that. You say that. You say that. Huh? You sing that. Sing what? Sing what? Guys, I need furniture. Yeah, why is there so much light? I'm hurting. Okay, good job, Lisa. This is what we do. I'm so proud of you. Honey. I can see you. Looking at me. I'm ready. Wait, go ahead. There you go. Oh my god, guys, I'm losing health. Wait, why? What have you been doing? I'm dying. I keep falling down. Okay, that's you. Oh, whoa! And then I really picked up. But you keep saying, wow! Why are you humping me? Oh, you guys are not very cutesy. Not very demure. Yeah, guys. That's not very cutesy. But you know who is demure. Stop! I'm trying to think. You know who is demure? That person who's watching the video. Stop! I put it in the right place and you guys go, Nate! Don't touch her, she's a minor. Oh, that just got so deep. You really are gonna jump on the ladder. Yeah, but you can go into my head for the ladder. What are you guys doing? Hoopa! I forgot the fatty TV was here. Yeah, maybe you can